How to change language in Gemini AI. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language settings in Gemini AI. Whether you're new to the platform or just want to adjust the language, this guide will walk you through it. So let's get started. First, open the Gemini AI on your website, or you can simply download the app and open it as well. Now, simply log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to top right corner of the screen where you see your profile icon or username. Simply click on it to open your account settings. Now, simply tap on three horizontal bars and click on settings. Here you can find an option that says language or language preferences. It should be under the general settings option. If you cannot find it, you can simply search for it as well. And once you found an option, simply click on language. A list of available language will appear. Simply scroll through the option and select the language you want to switch. After selecting your desired language, make sure to click on the save or apply button to confirm the changes. And once saved, refresh your page and restart the app. And your Gemini AI interface should now display in the selected language.